In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your Beehiiv account step by step, safely and correctly. Before we start, there's one very important thing to know. If you still own any active workspaces or publications, Beehiiv will not let you delete your account until those are removed or transferred first. So we'll cover that first, then I'll show you exactly where to find the delete option and how to complete the final confirmation. If this tutorial helps you out, take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides, just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Beehiiv account using your normal email and password. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for your account menu or settings area. Depending on the layout, you may see account settings or account security. Go ahead and open that section because that's where the account deletion controls are usually located. Now, before you try to delete the account, check whether you have any active workspaces or publications still connected to your profile. This part is really important. Beehiiv requires you to remove or transfer ownership of those first. If you still own a workspace or publication, the delete option may be blocked or the process may fail. So if you see any active publications, open each one and either transfer it to another user or delete it if that is the correct choice for your situation. Take your time here and make sure everything is cleared out properly. Once all workspaces and publications have been removed from your account, go back to account security. This is the section where you should now see the delete account option. Click on Delete Account to begin the permanent deletion process. Beehiiv will usually ask you to confirm this action, and this is your last chance to stop if you change your mind. To continue, type delete exactly as shown, using all capital letters if that is what the prompt asks for. Then, submit the request. After that, your deletion request will be processed, and your Beehiiv account will be permanently removed. Keep in mind that this action cannot be undone, so make sure you've downloaded anything important and transferred anything you need before confirming. And that's it. You've now learned how to delete a Beehiiv account the right way, including clearing active workspaces first and completing the final confirmation. If this video helped, please give it a like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.